Look at this nigga. What the hell is this nigga doing? That's some crap. This nigga had to been up 12 days. This nigga hallucinating like a motherfucker. What the hell is he doing? That nigga on one. That nigga what? That nigga got a natural high. Damn. That's crazy. The fuck is this nigga doing? Look at that wobble leg. Look. Look, got the kid scared. That nigga's a zombie.